So in this question, you're asked to integrate 3 sin x minus 2 times cos x by 5 minus cos square x minus 4 sin x. So here, so as you can see, you have a cos x separately with dx. So if I take sin x as t, the term cos x dx goes into dt. So if you look at the function apart from cos x, this is made up of, numerator is made up of sin x, denominator is made up of sin x as well as cos x. But cos square x, as we know, can be expressed as in terms of sin x. So this becomes integration of 3 sin x minus 2 divided by 5 minus of cos square x is 1 minus sin square x minus 4 sin x into cos x dx. So that is equal to integration of 3 sin x minus 2 by, so 5 minus 1 is 4 plus sin square x minus 4 sin x times cos x dx. So that is equal to integration of 3 sin x minus 2 divided by, so this looks pretty comfortable, sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 4 is nothing but sin x minus 2 whole square. Sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 4 can be written as sin x minus 2 whole square times cos x dx. So now let us do the substitution and try to make this easy. So let sin x minus 2 is equal to t. So cos x dx goes to dt. So this becomes dt. So this becomes integration of, so if sin x minus 2 is equal to t, sin x is equal to t plus 2. So what is 3 sin x? 3t plus 6 minus 2. That is 3t plus 4, and this becomes dt by, this becomes t square. That is equal to 3 times integration of 1 by t dt plus 4 times integration of 1 by t square dt. That is equal to 3 times ln mod t plus 4 times integration of 1 by t square is t power minus 1 by minus 1. That is minus 1 by t plus c. So once the integration is completed, I can do the back substitution. That is t is equal to sin x minus 2. So 3 ln mod of sin x minus 2 minus 4 by sin x minus 2 plus c is the integration.